to our channel. So in today's video, we'll be making slime.
Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Our first slime video on this channel.
And we're just gonna make you random stuff.
So let's get started.
Cart.
Oh, wait, what?
I'll put my glue in. Pick your colors, kids.
So these are the color options. We have yellow. This is yellow. Yellow. Oh.
That's got
Really?
Yellow,
I'm
sorry.
Red, blue, and green.
I'm good.
So yeah, that's the colors.
Red. Food coloring.
We'll do yellow. I'm gonna go random.
Pom slime.
A pink pom.
Pom poms are expensive.
Ooh, that is nice.
And there's glitter in your bowl.
I know, there's so much glitter.
How do you open this? Blue and purple.
Now it's turning like more orange.
Glitter. I'm gonna add orange.
Yeah.
I'm gonna add in some of these things. I added too much. I wonder where Kelly is, dude.
We haven't found Kelly yet. That's the problem.
Yeah, I haven't seen her.
She's like, are you kidding me?
I haven't seen her since that video about us testing the sweetened candies.
Like literally, she's
I haven't seen her.
gone.
That's actually pretty scary. Like,
We don't know where she is. So if you guys find her,
yeah,
please let us know.
because you know Kelly.
Black. Black and orange. This is gonna be a Halloween slime.
Mine's a clown Halloween slime. So ours is kind of Halloween slimes type of deals. The dealios.
Come on, more orange. More orange.
Now I'm gonna activate it. We're using baking soda and contact nose.
Sewers?
No, it's like this contact nose solution doesn't work.
No, this whole time Kelly's lost in the sewers.
That'd be amazing.
I'm trying to add more orange to my slime, but it's not coming out.
It's working. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. This is really strong.
Now I'm gonna add some fake snow.
This one is really strong than I've had before. It's already made.
Yes, sirree. Those auto square. No.
Wigs. Why did I say I need more wigs?
Do you wear wigs?
No. Do you?
Are you wearing a wig right now?
Maybe. I'm kidding. No. No. Yeah. SMR. Why does it stick to me?
It does stick to me.
Oh. Wait, so you're adding some foam beads? Nice. My slime, I'll describe it, has pom-poms as wigs. And it's pink because pink clowns.
Okay.
Okay. And then there's like glitter, orange glitter for their skin because the clowns are orange. Are you gonna add any more stuff to your slime?
That's good. I'm not gonna add anything.
So you're done?
Excuse me.
I'll add it in.
Why is this?
Now mix it. She's never used contact lens solution.
I always use borax.
Okay, I'm gonna add it in for you because it's harder. Harder. Okay. You need more glue. Who knows? Scooty doo, scooty doo, scooty doo.
Scooty-doo, scooty-doo, scooty-doo.
Oh, that looks weird.
Now,
Hello, darkness.
who wants some eggs?
I do.
Who wants some eggs? I'm gonna call this scrambled eggs.
So let's go get some of our lotion.
ASMR. Just kidding. That's not ASMR.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're making some slime. Using my slime. I don't like this color. It's so ugly. So let's change it up. We're gonna add in some of our yellow food coloring. And we're gonna knead it all in. And then, oh! So now I hate this pink. I don't like pinky. I like green. Let's some green. I like this slime. Oh no, I'm combining them. What a mess.
That what? Guys, what happened to our sign?
Is Kelly right there? Kelly. What? Kelly.
She's right here.
Something's happening.
She's right here. She's on top of the bottom card. Kelly. She's look at all
Kelly.
that food coloring. on
Kelly
her.
has food coloring on. Kelly, did you do this? Kelly did this. Kelly tried
She
to take,
mixed up our slime. Look
she
at that.
tried
It
to
looks
take
so
over.
gross.
Kelly's trying to take over.
We need a punishment for Kelly.
Yeah, Kelly. We're gonna get you. What'd you do? Now it's gonna be brown. This is not Halloween, Kelly.
Not Halloween, Kelly. You
Get
have
your
to-
colors
You have to
right.
understand. Like this is like
Kelly, we're covering you up.
and we're gonna take her outside.
Yeah, we're gonna take Kelly out.
Let's go, guys. We're gonna ban her from this house. And she can never come back. Oh my god.
See, look. This is Kelly before. So this is Kelly before. That's Kelly's after.
Oh my gosh.
That's Kelly in there.
Right there. Can you guys see her? And she's never coming back.
Ridiculous. Kelly, she's trying to take over our channel. And this is
She's trying to
unacceptable.
sabotage us, basically.
It's gonna ruin
It's
our,
unacceptable.
ruin our reputation. So
Yeah. And then now we have this we're trying to make Halloween sign. This is nowhere close to Halloween.
I have to use the restroom, so I'll be right back.
Guys. Kelly, she's just such a saboteur. We can't trust her anymore. We just can't trust her.
I'm back! So yeah.
You agree that we can't trust Kelly.
Yeah, we're gonna have to conclude this video because what is this? We're gonna end this video. So bye guys.
Bye.
Ah!